morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today with my guys we're going to Suswa. So right now I am at the Nairobi terminus. Actually it's me and my friend, so yep, I'm going to find her. Then guys, we can link up with our third friend at maybe at Suswa because she's taking her train at a different train station. So let me see where my friend is.
But it's not that long. It's this long. How do I open the thing? That's the most it can go. Having kids, you can never have anything nice.
Okay guys, now we are headed to Suswa. The train just left and you can see I'm zooming in. That's Nairobi. When you're in the train on your way to Suswa, the landscape really looks amazing. So yes guys, this is me and Tina right now. We are heading to Suswa. Guys, that's Annette. She just joined us at Ngong and we're in the tunnel and they're a little bit scared. And I'm enjoying this, seeing their faces and their scary smiles. Anyways, guys, yep. This is us now. We are three of us. That's Annette, Tina, and of course, Ada, the one doing the recording. Yep, that's us. We just passed the tunnel and I don't know what they were talking about, but if I can remember, they wanted to know where the pilot sits. They wanted to get good views for this trip. Anyway, guys, you can see how Kenya is green. And by the way, for those Kenyans who've never gone to Suswa, by the way, this was one of the best rides because I was just enjoying like the vegetation. And the crowd in our train was like in a party mode. And apparently in this train, the Suswa train, they allow people to play their own Bluetooth. Yep, and also something else I learned in this trip is like I can take a trip from Nairobi terminus to Rongai or Ngong instead of going through the moving discos, the so-called loud music. Anyways, guys, this was one of my lifetime experience, I can say that. Ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived at Suswa train station and we are so excited because it's the first time for the three of us to be here. And in the train we learned a lot. Like if you're planning to go to Suswa, please carry your board games. Anyways, guys, here we were being told to make sure we get our return ticket. Apparently, when you arrive at Suswa, they make this announcement that you have to make sure you print out your return ticket. I don't know why, but I guess it's because people just come to Suswa for party. So, yep, you know when I say for party. Yeah, so anyways, guys, welcome to Suswa and we hope we can take you along with us. Karibuni Suswa.
I know, right?
Okay, guys, we
don't know where to go. Suswa.
Anyway, guys, welcome back.
A dark tunnel. Three of them. Oh Lord, so scary. We almost cried.
Anyway, guys, these are my friends. Tina, you say your name?
Red hair girl.
Ooh, wow. Why not Blondie?
For the next 2 months and then we change to blonde.
Okay.
Blonde girl.
Chero. Hey, Chero.
Suswa maneno.
And you all know me, Amanda versus Travels. Here to bring you where I go, and today we decided to come to Suswa. Yeah, so we even don't know where we are going, but
Watch this space.
it's the spirit of adventure in us that brought us here. So guys, I hope we can take you where we are going once we find our final destination at Suswa. So keep watching. Thank you. As promised, guys, so we are taking you to our destination at Suswa. Anyway, guys, we asked around where we can go, and we got this one amazing taxi driver. Yep, who was able to tell us where to go. So we are going at Choma Palace. So hopefully the choma is good. So yep, come with us, guys. Okay, guys, we are here at Meat Village, and it happens that our taxi driver is a local here, and maybe he can just introduce himself and give you a little bit of history of what you can do when you arrive at Suswa.
So I'm Charles. Kwa Suswa ukielewa na SGR can visit kuna Mount Suswa ambao utaenda visit the caves, kuna pia kuna Sambezi hapo kuna nyama mzuri simo. Haya, bado unaweza visit Suswa Ranch, pale utapatana, it's a good place, kuna nyama mzuri pia. So Suswa ni place mzuri pia. Ukikuja na SGR utaenjoy zile the tunnels tatu, naona kwa hizo milima ziko huko pande ya Nachu.
Oh, Nachu. Sikuwa najua jina. Sisi tulikuwa tunajua tu ni tunnels.
Yeah. So
anyway, akimsema ni
Charles.
Oh, by the way guys, huyu anaitwa Charles na ni driver mzuri sana. So kama unataka Charles akufikishe penye unataka kwenda, ukifika Suswa, just drop message, mimi nitakupea namba yake, alafu mtaongea, mtanegotiate price. Haizi peana by the way hapa, because ina depend na penye unaenda ama
Place
unaenda na unaenda kufanya nini. Kama unataka kungoje, by the way anaweza kungoja umalizishe ni unafanya, because huku si ati hizi taxi ni nyingi ama
hakuna taxi nyingi hapa. Kama pia ni camping huko Mount Suswa, kila kitu iko pale, utaenjoy.
Asante sana Charles, thank you so much.
So pia nimesahau kidogo, kuna crater pale Mount Suswa, beside the caves. So kama ni building unaenda pale ama ni prayers, watasikiza mambo ilikuwa pale kwa caves.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a good place. Masaizi ni welcoming sana. Utaenjoy.
Si watu mmesikia, wale mnapenda maombi kuna mahali pa maombi, wale mnapenda sherehe kuna mahali pa sherehe. It's an all round place. So asante sana Charles. Mimi nakutakia Sunday njema na weekend njema. Asante. Okay guys, so it's me now. We're going inside with my girls. They are super busy. I don't know what they're doing, but yeah, we're going inside for some Nyama choma. Yep, at this point we were so full, we decided to walk around, and as you can see, that's Tina having fun, and yep, we tried to join her, and yeah, just watch and see what happened with me.
Wacha tu.
Okay, this is us going back to the train station, because this was almost 2 o'clock and the train leaves at 3. So yep, we decided to go early because we needed also to know really how the train station looks like. So of course we know how it looks like, but we wanted to walk around and see if there's any interesting thing around the train station. So yep. And by the way guys, don't forget to go and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you're planning to go to Suswa, I hope you watch this clip because this taxi driver was amazing. Like, he dropped us and he came to pick us. So yeah, he was more reliable because this was our first time there and we didn't know how to go about it. But with his help, we were able to go to the Meat Palace and have fun and come back to the train station on time. So yep, you can watch my video, and if you need his contacts or anything, just let me know and I will share to you personally, because I don't think it's worth it to share here without people being interested to go.
Okay.
Okay guys, thank you so much for coming with us at our choma choma I don't
Village.
know choma
Meat village.
Choma meat village. Now it's time to go back to Nairobi, and guys, as you can see here, the station, that's the entrance. It's time to adios. Until next time guys, thank you for watching, thank you for being good guys, and thank you for subscribing.